make a cover protection for my project, the woods in the paint. Okay, so let's do it now. How to save your money before you sell it, instead damage the materials of the wood, screws, getting rush, and rather buy a paint again. So for me, I make a cover just to cover the materials like this, the thickness of the what's this tarp. See, I buy always. I'll buy all later like this, but I need to look wide for my hanging dryer. Okay, it's a carpet. That's a different cover. It's a straw board and carpet again. This is what I'm using to protect my stuff. See, straw cardboard, carpet, plastic bag, table cover, carpet again, carpet, okay, or woods, the thickness of woods, just to protect my project. See, carpet also, and carpet, plastic cover coming from my company. So now we can fix this just to save my other projects. Okay, instead buy again a paint, damage the woods. Okay, so lots of reasons. Okay, so for me to do this, okay, with a simple way. Just put it in the sun so you can save your money. Instead buy a paint again. You know what I mean? Okay. That's the best thing to do. As long as you can save it your project with a nice condition. Okay. So if you know knowledge, buy a tarp. Instead save your money. Okay, so I have lots of stuffs in my storage, so you need to buy a big tarp. Okay, it's a large size just to save my business. Okay, so if you own business in online, so meaning no boss, so you can make the decision how to protect your stuff before you sell it online. You know what I mean? So this is what I'm doing. Okay, it's a cover like this. Okay? It's a cover my stuff like this. From the rain. Okay? Okay? So if you will extra tape, you can use that. Okay, so I have one again. So this is a tips coming from me based on experience how to protect my so if you have lots of project, you can save in this way. You know what I mean? That's the most thing to do. Save and wisely. That's it. same like this. See the cover. Just protect my product. See? This is what I'm doing now. Because I'm not working now in roofing, so I have no paper roofing like this. I have no available paper roofing like this, so I'm using coming from my company. It's a garbage. So instead of throwing this in the garbage, I will fix it and fold it, and then I use it. It's what I call cover. Save now my money, $4, $5 for this plastic cover. Okay, that's the most important thinking. Okay, so another one. It's up to you what kind of tape you need. Okay, you can use tack tape or transparent tape. Okay, just to save your tables collection. Okay. Just to save my table collection. Simply like that. So it's raining, no problem. Okay. It helps for me. Simple like that. This is only my vlog for today because it's a different content. Okay? Not only one, not always like this, not always like that. Because I'm bored a nonsense video. Maybe I'm not a billionaire or a millionaire. So happy. Okay, another one. So it's raining. You can use this. Okay? So if you have ideas how to save your money in the summer, why not, right? Why not? So this is a simple video just to share to you how to save your money if you're like a stuff like me, a table collection. So the other viewers are interested or not interested because of this. Okay? That's the most important. That's the most important. Sige. Mami. Overlapping. Everything cover the joint. It. What I have to do is click the button notification bell for upcoming latest video. I hope it helps for you how to save money to cover your stuff with raining. If your house is full, and also your storage area. The storage area is expensive. Okay? In the Philippines is almost 4,000 plus pesos. The equivalent here, it depends the currency. So instead sending the money for your family, you can use this to save your money, protection from the rain. Very easy, and this tape is coming from somewhere only. I'm not buying this because it's expensive also. Okay. I buy sometimes, but not always. Not always. Okay. Let's save again. If you didn't know how to save your money, just watch maybe you can pick a little something important for your daily life. Action from the sun, especially if raining. You guys, or sometimes subscribe and click the notification bell for upcoming daily tips in life, how to save your money and how to make money. Okay, so for now, subscribe and click the notification bell for upcoming latest video from me. Okay, so this is, if it's raining, we can use this cover for my projects. So it's faded. See, it helps. Okay, it helps. So see you guys for upcoming latest videos. So subscribe and click the notification bell for upcoming latest video and subscribe. Okay, these are all my tools if I'm making my project. Okay, see you guys.